have 7 packs of the box braid hair. Color matches more towards my hair color. So the last one was definitely different from, you know, what I'm used to, but I decided to just go with something subtle, something less curly, you know, more of like a, kind of like a wavy, kind of like wet wave. And I'm so excited. This is 24 inches, so it's about it's exactly to my waist, and I'm 5'4". I probably cut it a little bit to make it like 22, but I like it long because when I put it in a ponytail, it's giving, you know. Girlies, get on Amazon because they have the hair. And if you buy it at the beauty supply stores, you know, like your local beauty supply, they charge them like $45 for this hair, and you're not even getting 7 packs. You're probably getting like maybe like 3 packs, if that. So 7 packs of hair from Amazon, box braid hair, box braid crochet extensions for $26, and I'll be sure to link it down below. But it was definitely in the 20 range. So if I don't have it exactly on the nose, you know, you guys will see it in the link below. Yeah, I think it'll look cute in a ponytail, half up, half down. You know how I rock it. We got it. Let's get to it.